The kids have been wanting to make a rainbow jam, so we picked out fruit that matches the colors of the rainbow. What we got, Memphis?
Strawberry, orange, apple, figs, blackberries, grapes.
Okay, so let's go pick and get these things and make a jam. What do you think?
Yeah.
Woo! All right, red, the strawberries. Get the strawberries, Rosalind. Good job. So orange, yellow, and then yellow apples.
Yellow apples are over there.
Okay. You have a yellow apple?
What do we put in?
Yeah, one's good. Put it in there. Okay, good job. I have violet for grapes. Put those in the bag. And I guess we're gonna roll blue for blackberries. Now we have them all. We're gonna make a rainbow jam?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Rainbow jam. Woo!
All right, Rosalind, what have you been wanting to make?
Rainbow jam.
So what do? We went and got all the colors of the rainbow?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we have? We have some yellow, and that's gonna be citric acid for it. Orange for some zest. An apple, some figs. They aren't fully ripe yet, but they'll work, won't they?
Yeah.
Strawberries, blackberries,
Yeah.
and what? Some grapes.
Yeah, grapes.
Is this all the colors?
Not doing the baby.
Okay, you're not gonna do that one?
They're too tiny to do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna trim these, and you're gonna chop them. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Can you wink again, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Ross's chopped up in the strawberries. And over here, we have our water going for our tins. Always start that first to get that going. And then we have our lids back here. They're simmering. And we have everything we need to can on our mat right here. So now we're going to start with the rest of the fruit. All right, Rosin, now stop. We're gonna need 2 cups of strawberries. It's a little short, so we're gonna add a couple more, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see the
Good job, girl. I think that's 2 cups, and we'll start doing everything else. What do you think? Okay, Rosalind, add the strawberries. Put them in there. You already have our sugar in there, so there's the strawberries. That's the first color of a rainbow. What do you think?
I want to miss it.
Okay, let's do the other ones. We'll mix, okay?
I want to miss now.
All right, so now we have the grapes and the
put
blackberries,
all of
right?
them.
Yeah, we can do all of them. So that's another color to our rainbow. Time to chop. Yeah, hold on. Chop. Whoa! Good job. Okay, good job. Next, we have our apple. Then we'll be done. You gonna help me peel the apple? Okay, here we go.
Ready?
I'll show you how to do it, okay? So like
How
that.
I do that?
Okay, here you go.
You just do it. This way.
Mm-hmm.
And then you say when you move.
Okay. Good job, girl. Here we go. Good
Too
job.
hard.
Okay, and I'll do a little bit too when we'll be done, okay?
It's too hard.
Put the blackberries in here, then we're gonna chop up apple
Ready?
and put it in there. You ready? Yep. There we go. Another color of the rainbow. Good job,
I'm
girl.
missing now. Pink apple?
Yeah,
Little apple? Daddy, I need help.
I know. Okay, ready to chop.
That's how I do my
Look at it go. Here's people say.
Yeah!
There you go.
What are you doing?
Okay, I think that's good. Good job, girl. Now we're gonna add that.
I put that.
Okay. Now it's time for the apples. Here you go. You probably have to spoon it in there. Need me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, there it goes.
Put the apple in.
All right, girl. There we go. We're good to go. What do you think?
I do yes and
No, a couple more colors, okay? There we go.
I missed it.
We're gonna add some citric acid to it, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons, okay? So
I only had 2 on it.
yep. So that's gonna be enough juice for us, though. See, there we go. Look at it go. So there's 1 tablespoon.
I
Uh-huh.
want to try this lemon.
Okay, we'll try it. Let's just get our stuff for the jam first, and I'll let you try it,
It
okay?
has a more.
Yep.
No yacht. You may have a yacht.
Mm-hmm. So let's do this one.
Yeah. I want to
There we
try
go.
it. I
That's
want
it.
to try it.
And I'll let you try it. There we go.
I want to try it again.
Okay, here you go. So while Rosalind is drinking lemonade that we just made from the lemons we just squeezed, we're gonna chop up the figs, and last thing is orange zest, right? So you can keep drinking. I'll do chop on the figs. Here we go, not much. There we go, let's go. Look at him go. That's a rainbow on itself, isn't it? Okay. I'll add this, then we'll do the orange zest. Rainbow is the orange, so let's do orange zest.
I missed it.
It'll add some awesome flavor. Yep, just scrape it down. Good job, and keep it turning. Because you don't want to get the bitter part, just keep the orange part. There you go, good job. All right, keep it
And
turning.
you know the UK inside?
Yeah.
I want to try it inside
Oh,
before.
look at,
Mommy,
there it is going on there, good job.
I want to try inside the orange soon.
Okay, I think we're good.
It has more.
Now we can mix it up, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to mix it. I want to mix it. I don't want to tell you what to do that.
So, that's the last of the orange. Let's check it out of our colors. Okay, now you want to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get our spoon, and you can mix
Let
it.
me mix it.
And I'm going to turn up the heat. There we go, so medium-high heat, and we're gonna bring that to a boil. What do you think?
Okay.
And then check it out. See, all of our jars are getting sterilized. You hear it? It's starting to boil.
Yeah.
So we're cooking now, aren't we? Good job, girl. Okay, so these are all sterilized now. We're gonna take them out. The jam's warming up. So what you can do is bring them up. Let it rest right there. That's what these guys are for. Grab them. Empty your water and start laying them out. And they'll stay nice and warm until we can put the jam in, which will be done in a couple minutes.
I'm mixing it now.
All right. So this is starting to warm up. Once it gets to a boil, we'll let it boil for a minute. But first, Rosalind's going to add some butter.
Yeah, but
There we go. And butter is awesome because it reduces foaming.
I want to mix it now.
Rosalind, what do you think?
I think I want to make this.
Is this going to be the best jam ever?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the pink color.
All right, it started to boil. So timer, 1 minute.
I beat me.
Yep, timer's done. Time to add the pectin.
The beat
That started to boil with the pectin.
Yeah.
Timer, 1 minute.
How much is pink, Dad?
Because all those colors are going together, girl. You're doing a good job.
Is it a pink soon?
Yeah, good job. Rainbow jam.
Yes, but it's
Timer's done. Turn off the heat. Turn off the other one too. Take it away. It is set for a minute. There's a little bit of foam in here. So I'm gonna get Rosalind to kind of help me out. We're gonna remove the foam. What do you think, Rosalind? Okay. Now we're gonna ladle all the jam into the jars.
I put it in.
You can help me in a second. So normally for half pint, you get 2 scoops. So there's 1,
My. How do I put this? You move
2. And that should give us a 1/4 inch of headspace. There we go, it's pretty good. Now I'll go and show you for the 1/4 pint. It's normally 1 scoop. And that should give you a 1/4 inch of headspace.
Dada,
And now we'll go ahead and start doing the rest.
Dada, I will do it.
So all the jars have been filled to a 1/4 inch of headspace. Now we're just gonna wipe the top so we get a proper seal. Any leftover jam on top will prevent a proper seal. So this is definitely very important. If you apply the lids, I always have these on simmer, so it sterilizes them. Also, I feel like if you keep them warm, it makes for a better seal. So now we're gonna apply these. We're gonna put the bands finger tight, and we're gonna can them for 10 minutes. So now apply the bands. Just put them on there, feel some resistance, and then finger tight. On to the next one. Spin it, feel some resistance, finger tight. All the jams are in my water bath cannon pot, this big guy. Starting to boil. Timer 10 minutes. There we go. The jams were in the water bath cannon for 10 minutes. So what I did, I brought them up. I'm gonna let them rest for 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna put them on a wood crate. All done. Now they're resting on a wooden crate. You can let them rest on whatever you want, but I always like my wood crates. Right here's some bread and butter squash I made earlier. Fun family times. One last thing, let them sit for 24 hours and wait for them to pop. And you can also test them too. Let's check it out. Boop.